Still here, just how you left it.
Think it'll start?
Maybe. Give me a minute. Still here. Nothing's changed. Engine's rusted shut. Impossible. All right, time to dig. This is gonna take all night. God damn, this mud won't let go. It's deep. Keep at it. It's got to break loose eventually. All right, time to pull this out.
It's not budging, is it?
Come on, you old heap. Just give me an inch. It's not moving. Stop it. Come on, you old beast. Just a little more.
It's moving. It's tilting.
Keep it steady. Almost there. It's moving. All right, cable's got slack. Looking stable. Chassis seems okay. Time to check the rear axle. Hook's on. All right, hit the winch. Okay, that's it. Secured tight.
Land out.
Okay, here's the highway. Clear on the left, clear on the right. Let's do this. All right, old friend, let's see what you're hiding in there. It's been a while, hadn't it? Come on. Just a little more. There, got it. All right, you old beast, don't think you could beat me. Come on, move, just a little. Nope. Nothing, not even a twitch. Time to start soaking this beast. God, this is a lot of rust. Almost there. Keep it up.
All right, that's both coats done. Looking good. Yeah.
Smells strong in here.
Yeah, opening the door.
All right, primer time. Looks like we're set at 40 PSI. Nice and even, ready to go. All right, out with the old. This thing is toast. Oh, perfect fit. Let's get this installed. All right, 4 hours should be plenty. Let's get this glass out. All right, perfect fit. Just need to tighten these down now. So give that one more good turn. Solid, done. All right, new gauge is in. Let's get these wired up and snap them into place. All right, just the polishing left. Perfect, it's beautiful.